What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to Everything You Need to Know with me, Anthony from Easy Car Care. But before we get into it, because we've done a few videos now, I'd just like to personally thank you all for your love and your feedback and your comments. It helps us for future content. So as always, if you've got any comments of anything you'd like to see in the future that we've not covered yet and you'd like us to cover, just drop them below in the comments. So anyway, let's get into it. And on this episode of Everything You Need to Know, we're going to be covering HydroGuard 2.0, our fabric protector. Let's go. So, HydroGuard 2.0, what is it and what does it do? Very similar to our old HydroGuard, but from this time around the formulation is a lot better. More up to date. Protects fabrics, seats in your cars. You've got kids, they spill a drink, rather than it soaking in, it's going to sit on the top of it. It's also great for convertible roofs, fabric ones to be specific. Helps protect against weathering, mould, bits and bobs like that. So, how do we use HydroGuard 2.0? Same as the old one. Spray it liberally into your fabric, and then if you can, leave it for anywhere between 12 and 24 hours to let it dry fully. Once you've left it secure for a bit, apply another layer. Again, spray it liberally onto the surfaces, then leave it again for another 12 hours to ensure it's dry, and then you're good to go. That simple. Tips and tricks. With this one, if you can, once you've applied the first layer, grab yourself a detailing brush and use this to work the product into all the little tiny gaps in the weave. Not the weave on your head, the weave on the seats or your convertible roof. It's also multi-purpose as well, and what I mean by that is if you've got some trainers, you can spray it on them. Boots, Rockport boots, whatever, you know, going back a bit old school there. Baseball caps, anything like that, you can spray it onto that, works a treat. Things to pair HydroGuard 2.0 with. As I said, your detailing brush, great for getting it into all little bits and bobs. And if you've got it, Ultimate, an all-purpose cleaner. This is great because if you're going to put it on your carpets, hoover your carpets first, use a bit of this through a wet vac, will ensure it's all nice and clean. You wouldn't put wax on your car without cleaning it first, would you? No, you wouldn't. And so, that's everything you need to know on HydroGuard 2.0. Hope you enjoyed the video. As always, if you did, hit me a like and drop a comment below if there's anything you'd like to know more about HydroGuard 2.0 that I've not covered, or any other products you'd like to see us cover in the future, let me know. As always, hit a subscribe, and apparently somewhere around here there's a bell that if you click it, next time I drop a video, I'll come along and ring your ding-a-ling. So until next time, thank you.
Thank you.